GASB recently approved Statement 99 Omnibus 2022, which addresses a number of practice issues and some technical inconsistencies. GASB periodically issues omnibus standards to address very narrow practice issues and technical inconsistencies that have been identified.
Well, the Omnibus addresses several topics, including the accounting and financial reporting for exchange and exchange-like financial guarantees, the classification and reporting for certain derivative instruments, as well as the continued use of LIBOR as a benchmark interest rate. In addition, the Omnibus provides clarifications to some of the recent guidance on leases, PPPs, and SPIDAs.
The exchange and exchange-like financial guarantees changes the standard to correspond with the standard that we issued in Statement 70 that deals with non-exchange financial guarantees. So it basically brings all guarantees under the same type of accounting, reporting, and disclosures. With regard to derivative instruments, some issues had come up about post-Statement 72, which defined investments. What happens when you have a derivative instrument that either doesn't meet the definition of an investment at inception or was an effective hedge at inception but becomes ineffective? How do you account for those? And so the Omnibus statement now answers those questions and provides guidance in each of those areas.
The Omnibus clarifies what is and is not an option to terminate a lease. That same clarification was made to the PPP guidance as well as the SPIDA guidance. Another clarification that the Omnibus provides is what to do with a short-term lease that has been modified.
GASB had issued a pronouncement to change allowing LIBOR as a benchmark interest rate once LIBOR was no longer published, and we'd specified a particular date for it, which was the date that had originally been announced that LIBOR would go away. Well, LIBOR has been extended some, and so in the Omnibus, instead of specifying a particular date, we're now specifying that it will no longer be an acceptable benchmark interest rate when the particular type of LIBOR that you're referring to is no longer published using the rules that were in effect for the original rate versus some modification they might make for it.